In this chapter, we are going to learn about math.random. In the previous chapter, we learned about math methods. And math.random is a method in math methods. It's a method in math. And it returns a random number between 0 and 1. But the 1 is exclusive. The 1 is not among. So it returns a random number from 0 to 0.99999. So let's go on and use it. So math.random. Actually, let me put it in a variable. Let's random numbers equal to math.random. Then you bring the parentheses. Okay, so let's see random numbers. Okay, let's save it and see what we will get. Okay, so we got 0.7364. Let's run it again. Let's save it again and see what we get. Now we have gotten 0.66788. So anytime we save it and check, we will get a new number from 0 to 0.999. But we see that we can make right now the math random is generating numbers from 0 to between 0 and 1, but we can choose our numbers that we want to generate. So here, if you want to generate numbers from 0 to between 0 and 10, we then times or multiply the amount of random times the number, that is 10. So let's save it and see what we get. Okay, so now we got 9.872. Let's save it and check again. Now we got 2.45. No, let's save it and check again. So we get 0.68. Let's save it and check again. So 6.64. So that's how it's going to be. But it will never generate a number. It will never generate 10 because it is between 0 and 10. So if you want to generate numbers from 0 to 10, then you have to make it 11. Multiply it by 11. So we see that the numbers are generating are getting too long. It has many decimal places, but we want to make it short. So we are going to use the math.floor. The math.floor, which floors the number to the nearest or to the lowest integer. So to use it, we have to math.floor, then surround it with the math.random. Okay, so that's it. Let's save it and check again. Nice one. So this we got 4. Let's save it and check again. Now we got 1. Let's save it and check again. We got 7. So that's how it's going to be. It generates random numbers between 0 and 10. But you will choose the numbers if you want to choose where it should generate from and where it should be up to. You are going to decide it. So that's how you use math.random. So let's do something here. Let's delete this. Let's clear this code, and we are going to decide the range of numbers we want to print. So first of all, let min is equal to 1. So that means I want to print the numbers that it should print should be from 1, and let the max be equal to 100. So run from 1 to 100. Or print random numbers from 1 to 100. So this is how we are going to do. We are going to make the codes equal to math.random with a parenthesis then we multiply it with, we put them in brackets, so we multiply it with the max minus the min plus 1. Then outside it you bring plus the min. So this will generate random numbers from 1 as you indicated as min to 100 as you indicated as max. So it won't be between 1 and 100, it will be from 1 to 100. So the 1 is inclusive and the 100 too is inclusive. So we are going to surround it with math.floor so that it will floor the numbers to the lowest integer. Let's save it and run it. So we got 10. Let's save it again. We got 71. Let's save it again. We got 21. Let's save it again. We got 81. Let's save it again. We got 100. So that's it. That's math.random. So you can use math.random to do many things, like you can use it to create or build games and others. So that's it. Let's move on to the next chapter.